Hi everyone! Today we're going to show you the English we used when replacing our car's windshield. The windshield has a large crack, so we need to replace the entire glass. We've already found a reliable company to do the job, and I will call them to schedule the appointment. Let's get started! Hi, yes, I'd like to schedule an appointment. Okay,
what kind of vehicles at work?
It is an 2006 Acura MDX.
Oh, 6 MDX. Okay, which class are you needing?
What are the choices? Or it's the front windshield, sorry. Is that what you mean?
Okay.
Yeah. I didn't even realize, yeah, you guys probably do side windows and stuff like that too.
We do, yes. Well, let's use the front windshield up. Oh, that's happened there a minute. Oh, what is? Oh, gosh.
The call is breaking up. Did I lose you? Oh, hello?
Are you there?
Oh, there we go. Okay, I thought I lost you.
No, sorry. Does yours have the rain sensor option where...
I'm not sure.
Or you're cutting out? Is that I'm sorry?
Sorry, can you repeat that? I don't get
Yes, I'm sorry. Does it have the rain sensor option where the windshield wipers will come on automatically when it starts raining?
Yes, it does.
It does? Okay,
Yep.
No problem. Let's see here. Okay, for that windshield, it looks like it's running $280. The tax installed.
Okay, is that the cash
And
price?
You're located. I can see about when.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat?
Where you're located?
Oh, sorry. I'm in. My address is.
So you're
Not getting good service. Oh man. Sorry about that. My
no.
I have
You're
bad
okay.
service in my area, and I didn't realize my Wi-Fi calling was turned off. So this.
You are completely fine. Was that county you said?
No, I'm in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm just hard hearing.
No, it's my service, definitely.
No, it looks like I can have a glass to install by Wednesday next week if that would work.
Wednesday.
Yes.
What time do they usually come out?
I can do before lunch or after, whatever you prefer.
Yeah, before lunch would be great on next Wednesday.
Before? Okay, perfect. And then what was your name?
My name is.
Is this a good phone number?
Yes.
Alright, perfect. And then what address would you like for him to come out to? Perfect. Well, I'll have you down for next Wednesday the 12th for before lunch, and I will call you that day before to remind you.
Okay, I appreciate it. And what was your name again?
You're welcome. My name's Carly.
Thank you so much, Carly.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello?
Hey, this is Awesome Glass.
Oh, hi. Yes.
Hey, I'm out here at your car. If you just could unlock it for me.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
All right.
I appreciate it.
One sec. Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye. Hello.
Hey, man, got you done.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. How was you gonna pay?
I was going to do cash.
Okay. All right, I got your ticket out here.
Okay. I'll be right there.
All right, bye.
Bye. Hey. You said how much?
307.30. You said
3, 7, and 30. There you go.
Here's your receipt.
All right. Appreciate it.
Sir,
Thank you
just
so much.
Don't watch it for a couple of days.
Okay.
And let it sit for about half an hour before you drive it.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you very much. We hope you found this helpful. Visit our channel to check out more videos like this. See you next time.